Assalamu alaikum. Back again. I am Jishan Ahmed Thandar with my new video on KnightCTF 2024 Web Challenge walkthrough, and we are going to solve FLUXX. FLUXX is a bit tricky and a good CTF challenge. We can learn new thing with this challenge. Let me show the challenge description. Recently, I have made a simple app for monitoring and analyzing metrics, events, and real-time data. I use a database which is designed for handling high volumes of timestamp data, but I think it's vulnerable. Find it and get the flag. To be noted, the channel resets after some time, so please wait for a while if you see any error. Okay, let's open it. And here is a hint. We can see that there is a database and it's vulnerable. When there is a database and it's vulnerable, it's a hint. So we will assume that it's SQL injection, but let us check what it is. Data. Nothing here. Jishan. Any number. Let's try for SQL injection. Query. Nothing. And we got an error. So we have a database and there is an error. We need to find to extract data from it. So first I tried a SQL map but I failed. So let Google the error, which kind of database it is. When I checked it on Google, I found that this is FLUXX database. You can see INFLUX DB 2.6. I tried INFLUX DB exploit and also tried Hacktricks INFLUX DB manual and tried this exploit also, but nothing worked. So I searched more and got this blog. I did not try that Metasploit module. I used this blog to learn about INFLUXDB NoSQL injection. So SQL injection is not possible. We need to try NoSQL injection to extract data from INFLUXDB. So it's based on INFLUXDB. That's why the name of the challenge is FLUXX. So INFLUXDB NoSQL injection. When we read more, we can find some query to extract data. So first we need to send it to bub proxy. It's working. INFLUXDB. After reading all of this, I understood some of the things and found this payload, this one. Let's try the payload. First URL encode with Control U and remove the next lines. Now delete this. So it's now single line. Now try the query. We are getting nothing. As it said here, we will get nothing. But sending the same payload with letter P leaks bucket name private bucket. So if we want to know the bucket name, then we need to change this one or this one to get the bucket name. So let's check which one is changing. Here you can see P. Let's try it again. But to get bucket name, we need to check one by one manually. So instead of manual checking, we are going to send it to intruder. In intruder, we need to use that payload and change this one, not name. Clear this one. Let's use payloads. Going to use A to Z, 0 to 9, A to Z. So let's try to find bucket name. If first letter match, we will get the bucket name. Let's filter by length. We can see when it's begin with K, it giving length 354. So let's check the response, and the bucket name is the flag. So let's send it to repeater and close this one, discard. KCTF. So we got the bucket name and it's the flag. If we submit it, it will work. So what we learned here, we learned to SQL inject on INFLUXDB. That is no SQL injection, and it's manual for this. We can check more if we get bucket name, and if we want to check bucket contents, we will go further with this query. So I hope you understood. I just used this manual for NoSQL injection on this database. Let's try it here if it works or not. Copy URL, and here is the flag. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallahu khairan. Like, share and subscribe.